What if there were a machine so versatile it could handle just about any task? One that could go from digging to mowing to snow removal, just like that. Fully redesigned with 3 versatile models, the 1 Series is built to conquer whatever you throw its way. Twin-touch foot pedals, power steering, and mechanical front-wheel drive give you the ultimate control around delicate landscaping and on uneven terrain. Additional front and rear LED lights help illuminate your work area so you can see and be seen well after dark. And quick connecting implements keep the momentum going when you're hard at work, because switching chores shouldn't be a chore. The M and R models have you covered 365 days of the year with an optional all-weather HVAC cab. When summer hits, crank the AC and stay cool during your toughest tasks. Then when the snow starts falling, turn up the heat and push or blow snow to your heart's content. The HVAC cab helps limit dust and debris, keeping you clean during your dirtiest jobs. Exterior mirrors give you excellent visibility to what's going on around you, and the rear windows open so you can access rear implements without leaving your seat. When you're all done for the day, the 1 Series stows neatly away in your garage or shed. Yup, cab included. So, whether it's easy operation, comfort and control, or versatility you're after, one thing's for sure. When you've got a 1 Series subcompact utility tractor, you'll be spending more time enjoying your property, not just maintaining it. 1 Series, endless possibilities.